The only thing which I will say about the current activity with this BTC is be careful where the BTC is trading at right now. Just to give you guys an overview, this is 4 hour, this is 1 hour, this is 15 minute, and this is 5 minute time frame. So I will be covering all those time frame to show you guys what I mean by, to be careful where this BTC is trading. When I'm recording this video, the BTC is trading at around 65, 595, and it's still fluctuating. The reason me saying this, to be careful here is there is a likelihood, there will be a high likelihood that there will be some sort of a major move for this price level, specifically this price level. 67 to 47, and it may end up to 868 also, but I am taking this level because this is one of the level which my indicator is indicating the price. If it goes, if it goes from here, the move which it is trying to make it from here, it may end up until this level. Okay, the reason is, one of the reason which I can think of is we are in the end of the month. We only have around 1 week or so, or at least, yeah, let's give or take 1 week or 14 days, or maybe, yeah, 10 to 12 or 15 days, whatever. So until the price make, and as I said, there is a high likelihood price will make this attempt in this and during this attempt we have these support here. This is 8 hour, one of the 8 hour stop, which was happened here. Okay, and this stop is currently acting as a support. As long as the BTC is trading above this 8 hour top, it will attempt for this level. And currently, this BTC is struggling with this price level. This is one of the high, the top, the 12-hour top, which this BTC is trying to break. Let me just do one thing. There are, I think, double. No, not double. Ah, yes. So currently the BTC is struggling to break this level. Once the BTC break this level, then the price, after breaking this level, price has to trade above this level, and the chances of going for this one is, the there will be high chances then after happening the prices trading above this level. And by any chance if price falls below, then this one act as a support. So this is what it is right now with these two levels. And there are other indication which my indicator is telling me. If I take the indication, one of the indication which I can share, and it has to do with this is this thing, the top 4 and D. I've talked about what this represents, so I'm not gonna go into the details. But when this thing is here, I mean, at this time when I am making this video, currently the current price is here. One of the past top used to be here, 4 and D top. Now this top, which it is here right now, it will shift from here to this somewhere here. This shift has to happen. Once this shift here, then there is a likelihood that the price will go for the downside from here. And this downside, there will be major support level which will act which I have talked about, 12-hour top and the 8-hour top. Here, price will try to take a support. There will be reattempt to break this level, and then again this support, and something, this sort of a thing going to happen, and eventually this 8-hour will act as a support, then this becomes a resistance, something like this, and then eventually price has to come down to this level. This is my uh, probabilistic view about this BTC. Taking one of the indicator which I'm using, this which indicates, what this thing does, what my indicator does, it indicates where is the top and the bottom. So if I include, what I mean is this thing, we have this thing which it is indicating the bottom. The bottom, in this bottom, one of the lowest of the bottom after this top, it has what, the time frame. It has up to the weekly time frame, time frame players. Similarly, one of the top which we used to have with the BTC is this one, and this one has also the same, the players which it has to make it possible for the top, is up to the weekly time frame. So similarly, the same thing is with this bottom also, the one which uh, we have here, this one, okay, this one. Now, after making this bottom, price is in sort of a uptrend. This uptrend is going to last up until this thing, uh, this thing shifts from here to somewhere here. And the reason for me saying this thing is because this level which I am indicating, which I am and my indicator is indicating, about this one, this level has to do with the daily top, which which is pending right now. So, and once this thing happens, once price break through this 12-hour top, the current resistance, then this will be the resistance where price will get its resistance, and then it shifts from this thing, this shifts from here to here. So this is what is the most likely thing which eventually going to happen. So that is the reason I am saying be careful where the BTC is trading right now. And there are other information which, if I have to include, this thing, the thing has to do with this level, and the other one is this level, these two level, which is in purple, I think. And like I said, we are 10 or I don't know, 10 or 15 days, what, yeah, 10, 11 days remaining for the end of this month. So by the end of this month, price from here, make this attempt, and then after that we will see the fall, and this is the sort of activity, I mean possible activity or the fluctuation which we might gonna see, and then eventually price will come back down to this level. This used to be a 4-hour, initial 4-hour top. Here it used to be initial 4-hour top, and at the same time we also have this level which I am indicating, this level, and currently BT is trading somewhere nearby to this level, and it is kind of getting a resistance already, and this resistance possibly making some sort of a good upside move to break, while trying to break the level, there will be some sort of a force, energy, some sort of energy and the force which could end up being priced to break this level and then reaching to this one. So this level and this level is also the result of connecting the the levels, which I have also talked about in my past videos, why I have connected these two levels. So I'm not gonna go into the details. The reason we have these two levels is because I've only connected the pointers of the, you know, the bottoms, the previous bottoms. You can go check out one of my videos where I talked about all the bottoms and the tops, and through that you will get the idea. And the major thing about my analysis has to do with my indicator, this, which it tells me where is the bottom, where is the top, where is the likelihood of forming a new top, which I am saying, in this video about this one. The new top supposed to be here, 67, 68, max to max 68, but 67 to 47 is currently what it is indicating right now. So yeah, this has to do with the 4 hour. If I come back to the 1 hour, and if we take a look here, the sort of activity, and what I also said about, the price eventually come back down to, this level. This level is because, we already seen multiple, you know, up this sort of a attempt here, when the price, after making this bottom here, and the move which the BTC has made, for the upside from here, from bottom, and then this is first 4 hour top. After, where is it? Okay. After the stop formation of the stop price, comes back down to take a support here. This is one of the first for a 1 hour top, and this is the price level, the high. And then after that, we seen some struggle, which, this is some sort of a resistance here. We've seen resistance, and then this area is having some sort of, the BTC is having some sort of a resistance. And in this candle, we have seen the breaking of the resistance, or the breaking of the level, and then eventually we see the consolidation here. This consolidation has a support of this 4 hour top, and eventually this move, and then again coming back down. And all these activities which happened in this area has to do with the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, where I think 15-minute also has its own top and the bottom, and this is the result. But eventually what happened, in this case, is it has this highest time frame support, the 4 hour, this level. And then this move, we see higher high formation, and then eventually this move, which it lasts up until to this level, comes back down to take a support. This support didn't, last in a good manner, because in one of this candle break through this level, this 4 hour level, and then eventually come back down to take a support of this 1 hour top. And then again, we see the breaking of this level in this single good candle, and then this move coming back down here, support above this level, 15 minutes activity here, and then this move. In this case here also, we see a big candle which it break through this level, and then because of that we see some sort of a struggle here in this case. And during this struggle, what we see is the support of this 1 hour and the resistance of this 4 hour, and then again reclaim in this candle the move. So this is the pattern which we are observing right now, okay, in this case, in the 1 hour time frame. And even in this case, overall in all these activities, the price is taking support of this 4 hour top, one of the first top which BTC has made. Okay, this is the price level here, and then again this thing support, move for the upside. But I think in this case, 15-minute as its own resistance, comes back down, break through this level down, but again there is a struggle, reclaim, and then again support up, the move for the upside. This here, this is first 8 hour top. This I think the level might be clear in the 8 hour time frame, but in the 1 hour time frame, the level is not clear, for because this level which I have I've used in the 8 hour time frame. So this is the 8 hour top, and then we see struggle here, this struggle, and then in one of this candle it break through this level, but didn't last longer because eventually it comes back down, break through this level again in the downside, and then this is the result of this move overall. Here we have again support above this 4-hour top, the move here continuously, and in this case here, the this is one of the reason me saying the price where it is trading right now. If we look at this level, in this candle, specifically this big candle, it break through this 8-hour, what the top, the first 8-hour top, and after that we see the struggle here, not of a struggle, but consolidation. During this consolidation, the price has a resistance of this 12-hour resistance, 12-hour top resistance. This is the consolidation. This consolidation has a support of this 8-hour time frame, and this is what is happening right now. And even if price falls, below this 8-hour, there is a likelihood price may take a support of this level, 64 466. And even, if in a case when the price falls below this 8-hour, but likelihood is the price will break this 12-hour top, and there will be a consolidation, which is we are already noticing and observing in this BTC, and then eventually this will be the result of this overall move, which again it's pending right now, and after that this will most likely, this is the thing which eventually going to happen. And the reason is I have talked about the importance of this 1 hour, not a one, the lowest. This one is the 1 hour. This one is the lowest one, the 1 hour top, and then this one is the 4-hour top. Okay, and because of that, there will be a uh, major sort of support here in this 4-hour top in the next, I think, next month. uh, so yeah, this is what we have in this 1 hour time frame also. Let me just delete all this stuff because now it's not relevant here because the past activity. And coming back to 15-minute time frame, if I have to cover the thing which I have also already talked about, is it has to do with this, uh, I think this downside move. Yeah, was it? No, yeah, this is. In my last video, I talked about the price will probably get a support in this level. So this is what happened here. After this fall, this fall, price took a support here. Get, there is a resistance in this 8-hour time frame top, comes back down, and then again, this is the overall move which we have, which BTC has already done so far. So this is what I have for now, because I have covered most of the thing which I should be covering in this analysis. And if I just include this one lastly in, okay, during this downside move, which I mean, which is pending in the, like I said, like I'm saying, this is most likely going to happen in the next month, and before that, the price will be, price eventually has to go for this, this T, what current top, which is pending, which is not yet uh, happened, but it will happen, and then eventually price, when coming back down, we have multiple sort of a support also. These two, this will act as a support, and another support we have is this one, and we have another, this support, and eventually price end up being here. So yeah, that's all, and that is for this video. And let me just end with the disclaimer. the thing which I talked about in this video and in all my other videos has nothing to do with the recommendation of buying and selling. I'm just sharing for educational and information purposes only. Please keep that in mind and do your research analysis for any sort of financial decision, or seek financial advice yourself for for financial decision. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. uh, that's all for now. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.